Every lithium battery begins with minerals hidden beneath the earth. Lithium-rich brine is brought to the surface for concentration.
The color gradient is shifting faster than projected in this heat.
Yes, I've made a note to monitor the turquoise section closely.
Mineral-rich salts are collected for chemical refinement. The journey continues toward industrial processing plants. Some lithium comes from hard rock deposits deep underground. Mining equipment moves thousands of tons every day. Raw ore is reduced into manageable sizes. Continuous conveyors keep materials moving efficiently. Grinding prepares the mineral for separation. Particle size is carefully controlled for maximum recovery. Advanced separation techniques isolate valuable minerals. The concentrate now contains far higher lithium content. Moisture is removed before further refining. Careful drying stabilizes the material for transport. Prepared concentrate is stored before refinement. From the mine, the material travels toward advanced chemical refinement. The concentrate arrives at a facility built for chemical transformation. Every shipment is tracked before entering production. Precise measurements ensure accurate inventory control. The refining process begins with controlled unloading. Raw concentrate enters the refinery's material handling network. Automated systems move material continuously through the plant. Uniform feed quality is essential for efficient refining. Heat changes the mineral structure for easier recovery. Controlled cooling stabilizes the processed feed. Smaller particles improve chemical reaction efficiency. The concentrate now enters the chemical extraction stage. Chemical leaching separates lithium from remaining minerals. The valuable lithium now exists within a purified solution. Multiple purification steps improve chemical quality. Advanced filtration removes the smallest contaminants. The refining process now produces battery-grade lithium compounds. Now refined, the material is ready to become the heart of modern batteries. Inside this facility, refined lithium begins its transformation into advanced batteries. Strict access controls protect every stage of production. Every department operates as part of a carefully synchronized system. Each incoming material is verified before entering production. Verification ensures consistency from the very first step. Automated logistics keep materials available exactly when needed. Materials move continuously toward manufacturing lines. Contamination control is critical in battery manufacturing. Even microscopic impurities can affect battery performance. The cathode material forms one of the battery's most important components. At the same time, the anode materials are carefully prepared. Reliable utilities keep production conditions stable. Thousands of process variables are monitored in real time. Reliable utilities keep production conditions stable. Moisture control is essential for lithium battery quality. Here, production continues in carefully controlled conditions. The factory prepares for large-scale electrode production. Now the battery itself begins to take shape. The next stage creates the fundamental layers that store energy. The cathode mixture is carefully blended for consistent performance. Every gram of material must meet exact specifications. A separate process prepares the battery's anode material. Precise flow control ensures uniform production. The anode coating must remain perfectly uniform. Aluminum foil serves as the cathode current collector. Uniform coating directly affects battery performance. Controlled drying stabilizes the electrode layers. Recycling systems improve efficiency and sustainability. Every surface is inspected for flawless quality. Compression improves density and energy storage capacity. Precision measurements maintain strict manufacturing standards. Large sheets are divided into battery-ready dimensions. Prepared electrodes are now ready for cell assembly. The foundation of every battery cell is now complete. Next comes the precise assembly of battery cells. The transformation from materials to battery cells is about to begin.